Hey and welcome to Alpha One. In this video I will not do a NBA strategy because it's Friday and I don't like to trade it Fridays. But rather than that I will show you a strategy I think you might like, by the way, because it's incredible safe way to trade and the win rate is around 60%, so it's super good. And the win rate is 1 to 1.5. So even if you have 50%, you would earn good money with this strategy. So let's get to it. In this strategy, you will add moving average. That's this red line you see here. Put it to 200. And you will add something called Dogecoin channel. You find it here. Just write, let's see, there, it's the one you see in top here. Just write DO and you find it in the top here. And the settings, you don't need to do nothing, just double click it and you have it. It's no need to do anything, just use the normal. In this strategy we'll trade on 30 minutes and you'll get a lot of trades each day. So that's the cool thing with this strategy. You don't need to wait for, like you see here, even this will not be good enough for the NBA strategy. So it's a way of trading where you can trade often, and it's something you can trade till you're waiting for an NBA strategy. So you can you are trading the another way somehow, we can say. So let's see here now, for example, in this case, when you are below the 200 MA line, you're looking for sell opportunities. And sell you get every time you are in a new, we can say, you are touching a new line here. So I will explain it better. Let's see here, for example. Here you have a line. You see? That's more like the last low you have for a little while. And when you get a new low, then you open a trade. Okay? So in this case, you would open a trade on the next bar, because here you can see we did touch a new low. You got a lower from this line here, you got down here. You open here, your stop loss, you will set a little above the top line. So it's very easy, you always, that's why this strategy will, you guys that are using NBA, you will love it, because it's a same simple to use strategy that is safe, and you can bet a little more than you do with the NBA, because this one is safe, because your stop will always be less than your profit. So what you will do in this case, for example here, you go here, let's take, let's see, we put our short position and we would enter in there, and your stop loss, yeah, it's perfect, stop loss there, and you will take profit to 1.5. Then you move this down and you see this number here, that will say the 1.5. So go down to see 1.5 there, and in this case this will be a winning trade, right? So then right away you see you are below the 200 and you are basically you are making a new low. So you see you have made a new, you make more like a line that go down. Then you, in the next bar, you open a trade, you put your stop loss right above this line and you take profit 1.5 down. And like here, for example, you make a new high, you will not go because you, and this could have been a winning trade, but we don't do that. We are only looking for sell opportunities when you're below this line, only sell. So that's basically the Dogecoin channel, and we can look for our buy opportunity. Like you can see here, we made a new high. Then you will do the same thing. Only here we will put now let's see, it's this one. We will put a long, and then we will put on the next bar, that's this one. We would enter here, you put a little below this line here, and we will put 1.5. There. And that will be a winning trade also, you see. Of course, like I said, it's not, you will not only get winning trades, misunderstand me correctly, you will not get only winning trade, but it's around 60%. And as you see, your profit is much higher than your losses. So this is a way you can trade added to the NBA, and this is a safe way to trade. And you can bet a little more, like I will say 3% of your balance. It's a good way to trade this strategy. And like I said, it's something you can do till you get the opportunity for the NBA. Like, for example, here is a very good example for that. See here now. Now you're waiting, you don't have any trade for the NBA, right? And then you open this trade. You're then following all the way up. And when you now are done with this trade, actually, you take profit here now. Then suddenly, you're starting to get to NBA, and also it's in 78. Then you would enter a short up here now. But also see my other video how to get a more better entry so you don't enter your NBA here. If you follow my see my other video about Bollinger Band added with stochastic and RSI, because then you will basically have entered your trade up here instead. And you got a good short down and take your profit down here somewhere. But like I said, with the Dogecoin, then you have a possibility to trade till you're waiting for an entry for NBA. So you get more like the double or more trades a day. So I really hope that you like this content. And if you do, I will make more videos like this, ways you can trade added with the NBA. Have a perfect day.